Question 281. Explain the concept of infrastructure as code, IAC, and how it can be implemented in Azure DevOps. Infrastructure as code, IAC, is the practice of defining and managing infrastructure through code. In Azure DevOps, IAC can be implemented using ARM templates, Terraform, or Azure Pipelines YAML to automate the provisioning and configuration of Azure resources. Question 282. How would you scale Azure DevOps pipelines for a large enterprise? To scale Azure DevOps pipelines for a large enterprise, I would use agent pools, parallel jobs, and deployment groups to distribute workloads efficiently. I would also implement pipeline templates, shared libraries, and automation scripts to standardize and streamline pipeline configuration. Question 283. Can you explain the difference between Azure DevOps Service Connection and Azure DevOps Variable Group? Azure DevOps Service Connection is used to securely connect to external services or systems, while Azure DevOps Variable Group is used to store and manage shared variables across pipelines. Service connections provide authentication for external resources, while variable groups ensure consistency in pipeline configurations. Question 284. Describe your experience with monitoring and alerting in Azure DevOps. I have experience setting up monitoring and alerting in Azure DevOps using Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and custom metrics. I configure alerts based on performance thresholds, track application health, and analyze telemetry data to proactively identify and resolve issues. Question 285. Explain the concept of pipeline as code and how it benefits Azure DevOps practices. Pipeline as code is the practice of defining CI/CD pipelines using code, such as YAML files, instead of graphical interfaces. It benefits Azure DevOps practices by enabling version control, collaboration, repeatability, and automation of pipeline configurations for improved efficiency and consistency. Question 286. How would you handle a security incident related to Azure DevOps resources? In the event of a security incident, I would follow incident response procedures, isolate affected resources, investigate the root cause, remediate vulnerabilities, and communicate with stakeholders. I would also conduct a post-incident review to strengthen security controls and prevent future incidents. Question 287. Can you discuss your experience with integrating third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps? I have experience integrating third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps, using APIs, webhooks, extensions, and custom scripts. I have integrated tools for issue tracking, testing, deployment, monitoring, and reporting to enhance automation, collaboration, and visibility within Azure DevOps workflows. Question 288. Describe a time when you had to optimize Azure DevOps pipelines for performance. I monitored pipeline execution times, identified bottlenecks, and optimized tasks for parallel execution. By caching dependencies, using efficient scripts, and minimizing unnecessary steps, I significantly improved pipeline performance. Question 289. How do you handle conflicts in Azure DevOps when multiple developers are working on the same code? I encourage regular communication and collaboration among team members to prevent conflicts. I also utilize branching strategies, code reviews, and automated testing to detect and resolve conflicts early in the development process. Question 290. What experience do you have with integrating third-party tools with Azure DevOps pipelines? I have integrated various tools like SonarQube for code quality analysis, Slack for notifications, and Jira for issue tracking into Azure DevOps pipelines. I ensure seamless integration through APIs, webhooks, and custom scripts. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.